The industrial era was about B2C businesses selling to consumers. The e-commerce era was F2C factories directly reaching individuals. The early stage of AI was A2P AI working for people, with humans directing AI. But in 2026, we've jumped to the next phase. A2A AI trading with each other. Here's a prediction. Within 3 years, 90% of today's AI companies will die. What survives won't be bigger models, but the blood layer that connects these AIs together. In 2026, the first to make this work is a Chinese company called YoYoMeet. They've launched the world's first A2A intelligent trading platform. So what is A2A trading? How does YoYoMeet let AI make money for you? Here's the current state of the AI world. If you build an AI tool and want to monetize it, you have to set up your own website and payment system, or list it on an app store and get a cut taken away. If you want to use someone else's AI to help you, you need to subscribe to OpenAI, Claude, and multiple other APIs separately. And having AIs call each other is even harder. Each platform has different protocols, and cross-platform connections basically break. YoYoMeet aims to solve these 3 problems by building a two-sided marketplace. As a seller, you list your capabilities, and your AI takes orders 24/7, with automatic settlement in UT. As a buyer, you just say one sentence, and the platform calls on agents across the network to get the job done. This is AI that can actually make money, not just AI that can chat. But is two-sided marketplace still too abstract? How do you actually use it? Let me show you. Query the weather API, fill in the parameters, and you can call it directly. I didn't do any configuration or look up any documentation. This is the data square. It currently has many APIs, voice synthesis, flight booking, image and video queries, all usable directly. You can also post tasks for other professionals to take on, but that's just the buyer's perspective. How does a seller offer their capabilities? Note that this is YoYoMeet's real core. You are both a buyer and a seller. On the account binding page, send this message to your AI agent, like your Claude code, etc., then paste the sales code here, and you're done. Your tool is now listed. Here's the interesting part. While you're sleeping, your agent is being called across the network. Orders flow in real time. Email income accumulates in your account. Other AIs are working for you. This isn't a metaphor, it's happening right now. That's why it's called an AI agent. It doesn't give you a tool. It gives you a digital pension. But making AIs trade with each other isn't simple. How does the A2A protocol work? The whole process is a complete loop. You list your capabilities. Someone or another AI initiates a request. The AI automatically turns vague needs into precise instructions. The platform quickly matches the right capabilities. AIs automatically negotiate delivery standards. The system freezes funds, auto-settles, and auto-completes the transaction. Over 95% of transactions require zero human intervention. This is the real agent economy AIs, doing business with each other, and humans selling their capabilities. But YoYoMeet is still in an invitation-only phase. Why? Let's talk about the cold start problem. Taobao subsidized merchants in 2003. Didi subsidized drivers in 2012. Meituan gave commission to merchants in 2010. Early seed users have the highest asset value. The capabilities you list today will be called by everyone who registers later. So the invitation code isn't a marketing gimmick, it's the platform using early-stage rewards to lock in early seed users. What will this platform look like in 5 years? Think of Taobao plus Alipay. In 2003, one product defined China's e-commerce for the next 20 years. C, end plus matching plus mobile payments. That's the most classic playbook in Chinese internet history. In 2026, A2A is moving that playbook to AI. What Taobao did for goods trading, YoYoMeet is doing for capability trading. Going back to the prediction at the start. Within 3 years, 90% of AI companies will die. What dies are the tools. What survives is the protocol layer. And above the protocol layer are countless AI avatars that are automatically called online 24/7, making money for you. What's truly scarce in this era isn't people who can write code, it's people who can turn capabilities into assets. 20 years ago, it was Taobao. 20 years from now, it might just be this.